नमस्कार भाइयों बहनों। आज मैं आपके साथ उत्तराखंड लोक सेवा आयोग के प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स की सीरीज़ में एक और पेपर डिस्कस करने वाला हूं। आशा करता हूं कि इस पेपर के माध्यम से आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ज्ञान जुटा पाएंगे और विभिन्न क्वेश्चंस में ऑप्शंस में मेरे द्वारा जो भी जानकारियां दी जाएंगी उनको भी आप नोट डाउन कर लेंगे, ताकि आने वाली जो भी परीक्षाएँ हैं उनमें आप ऑप्शंस एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक से या तो फिर किसी और टेक्निक से सही उत्तर तक ज़रूर पहुंच पाएँ और मैक्सिमम स्कोर करके अपना सिलेक्शन सुनिश्चित कर पाएँ। साथ ही आप हमारे YouTube चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करें, जिसमें आपको उत्तराखंड लोक सेवा आयोग के सभी क्वेश्चन पेपर्स के फुली डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशंस के साथ सॉल्यूशंस मिल जाएंगे। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं हमारे फॉरेस्ट रेंज ऑफिसर 2021 के क्वेश्चन पेपर की। पहला क्वेश्चन है, द मेंबर्स ऑफ राज्यसभा आर इलेक्टेड फॉर ए टर्म ऑफ। ये डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है इंडियन पॉलिटी का एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन। इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी, विच इज़ 6 years. Next question is, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution is associated with adult suffrage? या जो आर्टिकल वोटिंग से भी रिलेटेड है, ऐसे भी इस क्वेश्चन को आप देख सकते हैं। यह है आपका आर्टिकल 326, विच इज ऑप्शन डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिट्स इज इशूड बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया इन केस ऑफ इलीगल डिटेंशन? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका हेबियस कॉर्पस, विच इज ऑप्शन ए। Next question is, how many subjects have been listed for panchayats under 11th schedule of the Indian Constitution? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका 29 सब्जेक्ट्स, ऑप्शन डी। साथ ही मैं थोड़ा सा एस्पिरेंट्स आपको 11th और 12th शेड्यूल के बारे में बता देता हूँ। 11th शेड्यूल जो हमारा है दैट डील्स विद पंचायत्स, वेयरएज 12th शेड्यूल डील्स विद म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज, विच इज़ अर्बन लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट। ऑल्सो 11th शेड्यूल जो कि पंचायत से रिलेटेड है, उसमें आपके 29 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं एंड 12th शेड्यूल जो कि आपका म्यूनिसिपैलिटी से रिलेटेड है, उसमें 18 सब्जेक्ट आइटम्स है। साथ ही आपको यह भी ध्यान रखना है कि जो हमारा 11th शेड्यूल का पंचायत है दैट फॉल्स अंडर पार्ट 9 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड 12th शेड्यूल का जो म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज़ हैं दैट फॉल्स अंडर पार्ट 9A ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। ये भी आप जरूर याद रखें। साथ ही आपको मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि जो 73rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1992 और 74th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1992 हैं, दे केम इनटू फोर्स इन द ईयर 1993। तो अगर कभी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है जिसमें वो पूछते हैं कि जो आपका 11th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, आपका जो 73rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट है और 74th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट है, व्हेन डिड दे कम इनटू फोर्स, तो उसका आंसर आपका होगा 1993 एंड नॉट 1992। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, हु अपॉइंट्स द चेयरमैन ऑफ द स्टेट पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका गवर्नर ऑफ द स्टेट, विच इज़ ऑप्शन बी। ऑल्सो मैं आपको ये बता देता हूँ कि गवर्नर ऑफ द स्टेट अपॉइंट करता है स्टेट पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के मेंबर्स को, बट दे कैन बी रिमूव्ड ओनली बाय द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड नॉट बाय द गवर्नर। तो ये भी आप ध्यान में रखें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज, which of the following part of the Indian Constitution describes the responsibility of the state towards promoting international peace and security? So this is Article 51 of the Constitution and it is a directive principle of state policy, which is option C. Also you should remember that fundamental rights are under part 3 of the Constitution, directive principles of state policy are under part 4 of the Constitution and fundamental duties fall under part 4A of the Constitution. साथ ही आपको फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़ हो गई, DPSP डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसीज़, या फंडामेंटल राइट्स हो गई, तीनों को आपको बाय हार्ट याद कर लेना है और आप तीनों के सभी आर्टिकल्स को याद करके एग्जाम में जाएं, ताकि आप जो भी क्वेश्चन इनमें फ्रेम होता है, और हर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन में कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चन इनमें जरूर आते हैं, आप उनका सही उत्तर दे पाएँ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स ऑफ ईदर हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट साइन ऑन द रेजोल्यूशन फॉर द चार्जेस ऑफ इम्पीचमेंट अगेंस्ट द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया? देखिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, साइन ऑन द रेजोल्यूशन फॉर द चार्जेस ऑफ इम्पीचमेंट, इम्पीचमेंट कराने के लिए नहीं, उस रेजोल्यूशन को मूव करने के लिए। सो द आंसर टू दिस विल बी 1/4, विच इज ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग कमिटीज क्रोनोलॉजिकली रिगार्डिंग पंचायती राज। GVK राव, LM सिंघवी, बलवंत राय मेहता, अशोक मेहता। देखिए अगर आपको एक क्वेश्चन में ये भी नहीं पता कि कौन सी कमेटी कब आई, यू शुड रिमेंबर दैट सबसे ओल्डेस्ट जो कमेटी थी पंचायती राज को लेके दैट वाज बलवंत राय मेहता कमेटी। सो एनी डे थर्ड वुड कम फर्स्ट। ऐसा ऑप्शन हमारे ऑप्शंस में सिर्फ एक ही है, दैट इज ऑप्शन सी. सो ऑप्शन सी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर्टिकल्स ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एम्पावर्स द गवर्नर टू इशू द ऑर्डिनेंस? देखिए, द आंसर टू दिस विल बी ऑप्शन डी, विच इज आर्टिकल 213. 1, 2, 3 is the ordinance making power of the president and 213 is the ordinance making power of the governor. इससे आप एक और चीज़ देख रहे होंगे, आर्टिकल नंबर्स को भी वो डायरेक्टली कई बार पूछ ले रहे हैं जो कि इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल्स हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल आपका अभी उन्होंने 326 का एडल्ट सफरेज पूछा, ऐसे ही 169 आर्टिकल जो कि लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल को अबॉलिश या क्रिएट करने की पार्लियामेंट की पावर है, ये भी एक इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल है. सो ऐसे जितने भी आर्टिकल्स हैं आप उनकी एक इंपॉर्टेंट लिस्ट बना लें और उनको जरूर जाके याद करके एग्जाम में जाएं. Next question is, by which of the following Constitution Amendment Acts the preamble of the Indian Constitution was amended? So the answer to this will be 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Next question is question number 11. In Indian Constitution, the rule of law is incorporated by which of the following articles? This is Article 14, which talks about equality before law and it is a fundamental right. Which of the following constitutional amendments is associated with lowering of voting age in India? इससे 21 to 18 लोअर कर दी गई थी वोटिंग एज एंड दिस इज 61st अमेंडमेंट विच इज ऑप्शन ए. इससे आप एक और चीज़ डिड्यूस कर सकते हैं कि हर एक कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन में पॉलिटी के पार्ट में वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट भी पूछ ही लेते हैं. तो इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट्स की आप लिस्ट जरूर एग्जाम में बना के जाएं जिससे आप उसका सही आंसर दे पाएँ. Next question is, where is the Desert Plantation and Research Center located in India? This was a bonus question as was decided by commission in the final answer key, so I am skipping this. Which of the following states is the largest producer of mica in India? This is Andhra Pradesh, which is option A. Next question is, in which of the following years the State Reorganization Commission of India was established? This is very important, so the answer to this is option A, 1953. State Reorganization Commission was established in 1953. Next question is, which one of the following is the first state in India to use gross environment product in its gross domestic product calculation? GDP calculation में gross environment product सबसे पहले किस स्टेट ने यूज़ किया इंडिया में? So this is our own state, which is Uttarakhand. Next question is, according to India State of Forest Report 2017, 2019 नहीं पूछा, 2017 की पूछी है, released on 6th February 2018, what percentage of total geographical area of the country is under forests? FRO का पेपर था, जाहिर सी बात है फॉरेस्ट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आना ही था और एक्सपेक्टेड भी था. दिस वाज 21.54%. According to 2011 census, which of the following states of India does not have the population of scheduled castes? This was a bonus question because both options B and C were correct, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. In India, population explosion is related to, बहुत जाहिर सी बात है, कॉमन सेंस अगर आप लगाएंगे, हाई बर्थ रेट अगर होगा और लो डेथ होगी, डेथ्स कम होंगी, बर्थ ज़्यादा होंगे, देन पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन विल हैपन. सो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. व्हाट इज द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ सी कोस्ट लाइन ऑफ इंडिया? दिस इज ऑप्शन बी, 7516.6 किलोमीटर. द लार्जेस्ट कोल फील्ड ऑफ इंडिया इज झरिया, ऑप्शन सी. The Inland Waterways Authority India was constituted on 27th October 1986 as a statutory body. Where is its headquarters located? This is Noida, option A. Who among the following was the first chairman of the Backward Class Commission? This is Kaka Sahib Kalelkar, option B. Next question is question 24. Najla Bodin Ramdhani has been nominated as the first female Prime Minister of which country? This is Tunisia, was a current affair. Next question is, Environment Organization Legal Initiative for Forest and Environment Life was conferred with which award? This is Right Livelihood Award 2021, option C. Which Indian state has launched a drone-based afforestation project named Harabara? Answer to this is Telangana, option A. Where was the World Stamp Exhibition Philae Nippon 2021 held? देखो ये आपके क्वेश्चन में ही आंसर छुपा हुआ है. निपॉन इज द अर्लियर नेम ऑफ ancient name of Japan, so the answer is option B, Japan. What is India's rank in Global Innovation Index 2021 launched by World Intellectual Property Organization? This is 46, जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि जो मेन इंडिसेस हैं कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उसको रिलीज करती है और इंडिया की उसमें क्या रैंक रही लेटेस्ट. ये भी आपको एग्जाम में एक लिस्ट तैयार करके जानी है बिकॉज हर एग्जाम में एक ना एक क्वेश्चन इस पर जरूर पूछा जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अगेन रिलेटेड टू करंट अफेयर्स इज, Which Indian state has topped the FSSAI's third State Food Safety Index? So the answer to this will be गुजरात. देखिए ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में आप गेस वर्क लगा नहीं सकते. अगर आप गेस वर्क लगाने जाएंगे तो आपका इसमें लॉस हो जाएगा, आप नेगेटिव मार्क्स फेच कर देंगे. इससे अच्छा होगा कि आप करंट अफेयर्स के पिछले एटलीस्ट एक साल के अपर पीसीएस प्रीलिम्स के लिए जरूर करके जाएं, ताकि जो भी इफ 10% ऑफ क्वेश्चन 15 क्वेश्चन 12 से 15 क्वेश्चन जो भी पूछे जाएंगे करंट के, आप उनका सही आंसर दे पाएं. एन ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म डेवलप्ड बाय आईआईटी मद्रास टू टैकल ई वेस्ट इज नोन एज, दिस इज ई सोर्स, ऑप्शन ए. The FI index introduced by the Reserve Bank of India refers to Financial Inclusion Index, which is option C. Which of the following became the first Indian city to achieve 100% COVID-19 vaccination? This is Bhubaneswar. What is the name of a brand launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs for marketing of self-help group products? This is Son Chiraiya, which is option A. Environment Impact Assessment (EIA) is a planning tool to integrate environmental concerns into development process from the initial stage of planning. When was it first used in India with River Valley projects? So the answer to this was 1978. Option B. Next question is question 35. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Broadcast Audience Research Council, BARC, after the resignation of Sunil Lula? This is Nakul Chopra, option B. Which organization has launched an online portal, My eHeart, to empower artisans and to strengthen handicraft sector? This is HCL Foundation, option D. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Microsoft in June 2021? This is Satya Nadella. In which state India's largest floating solar power plant has been set up? This is Andhra Pradesh. Name the only personality from Uttarakhand who was conferred with Bharat Ratna Award. This is Govind Ballabh Pant, which is option B. Tehri state merged with the Union of India in the year 1949. Which is the longest river of Uttarakhand? This is Kali. In which year was Ramman declared a World Heritage? The answer to this will be 2009, which is option A. Who was the author of Ganik Natika? This is Mularam. Avatar Singh Pawar is famous as a sculptor, option B. On which date did Nagendra Saklani get martyred? The answer to this will be option C. If you remember the year also, 1948, then also you will be able to guess the right answer, which is option C. Which city has been named as the world's safest city in Safe Cities Index 2021, released by Economic Intelligence Unit? This is Copenhagen, Denmark. Next question, question number 47 is, who was the first jurist from Uttarakhand to serve as a judge of the Supreme Court of India? The answer to this is Justice Prafulla Chandra Pant, which is option B. Which river was given the status of a living creature for first time by the High Court of Uttarakhand? This is Ganga. Copper coin related to which dynasty has been discovered at the excavated Yashna Vedika site at Purola? The answer to this is Kunind. Which of the following is the oldest inscription found in Uttarakhand? This is Mauryan inscription. This is Kalsi. Which district of Uttarakhand has the largest geographical area? Here people get confused between two, Uttarkashi and Chamoli, but the answer given by the commission and also according to the latest stats available on government websites, the answer is Chamoli. Who was the director of the award-winning film Dev Bhumi? This is Goran Pashkalvijevich, which is option A. The number of blocks in Uttarakhand is 95, option A. Which one of the following sports persons does not hail from Uttarakhand? Lalit Upadhyay, Jaspal Rana, Unmukh Chand, Rishabh Pant. Answer to this is Lalit Upadhyay, option A. Which one of the following wildlife sanctuaries is famous for conservation of snow leopard? Snow Leopard Center was inaugurated in Uttarkashi, and the wildlife sanctuary in Uttarkashi amongst the following options is Govind Wildlife Sanctuary. In which year Haley National Park was established? Later on, this park came to be known as Corbett National Park. This is 1936. In which one of the following lakes human skeletons have been found? This is Roopkund. The Vanraji tribals in Uttarakhand are found in which district? This was a bonus question because the question was are found in which district. They are found both in Champawat and Pithoragarh. But if the question was the Vanraji tribals in Uttarakhand are mainly found in which district, then the answer to this question would have been Pithoragarh, which is option B. Moving on to the next question. In which year was Ramman a part of the Uttarakhand tableau at the Republic Day parade in New Delhi? The answer to this is 2016, which is option A. Moving on to the next question, which is question number 60. Which is the longest glacier in Uttarakhand? The answer to this is Gangotri. Where is the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering located? This is in Uttarkashi. Who out of the following was the editor of Purusharth? This is Girija Dutt Nethani. Name the district of Uttarakhand where Kartik Swami temple is situated. It is situated in Rudraprayag district. Name the author of the Holy Himalayas. This is E. Sharman Oakley. Let me tell you, one question on author of the book is always asked in every UKPSC exam. So whatever books are there, you can prepare a list or you can study from anywhere and learn that list by heart and then go into the examination hall. Because एक ना एक क्वेश्चन हमेशा बुक पे पूछा जाएगा और बहुत इजीली आप उसमें स्कोर कर सकते हैं. Who was the last Chand king of Kumaon? This is Mahendra Chand, option B. Name the ruler of Gadwal who was known as Adinath. This is Ajay Pal. In which year Dehradun got connected with the railway? The answer to this is 1900. This is option B. Next question is 68th. Khatling Glacier is the origin of which river? This glacier located in Tiri Gadwal district is the origin of Bilangana river. Who was the first poet of Khadi Boli from Uttarakhand? This is Lokratna Pant Gumani Kavi. Also he is known as Gumani Kavi, Lokratna Pant. Shiv Prasad Dabral Charan is known as a historian. He is also known as the Encyclopedia of Uttarakhand. Shiv Prasad Dabral, Encyclopedia of Uttarakhand, known as Charan. Which one is the second highest mountain peak in Uttarakhand? Second highest is Kamet, highest is Nanda Devi. Next question, question number 72 is, which of the following animals have 3 hearts and blue blood? The answer to this is octopus, which is option D. The correct increasing order of elements present in stainless steel is, देखिए आपको पता होना चाहिए stainless steel बहुत बेसिक है. Iron constitutes the maximum proportion. So आपका 2 ऑप्शंस एलिमिनेट हो गए, बचे आपका A और B. कार्बन सबसे कम होता है स्टेनलेस स्टील में, so the answer to this will be option B. Laughing gas is nitrous oxide. Which of the following represents pressure? Which of the following represents pressure? This is pressure is equal to force upon area. So option B is the correct answer. On which of the following does the resistance of a conductor depend? Length, area of cross section, nature of material. It depends on all. So the answer to this will be D. All the above possibilities are correct. The most advanced order in gymnosperms is genitals, which is option C. Seed develops from, the answer to this is ovule, which is option C. Bleeding disease in human is due to the deficiency of bleeding disease or blood hemorrhage. If it occurs in anybody, we say that it is caused due to vitamin K deficiency. So bleeding disease will be caused by vitamin K. Pasteurization of milk is done at, the answer to this will be option B, which is 62.8 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Next question is, in which stage of meiotic cell division chiasmata are formed? The answer to this is prophase. Nature of immunoglobulins is, the answer to this will be protein, which is option A. Which of the following is a primary memory? This is RAM, random access memory. Mucormycosis disease is caused by fungi or fungus. So the answer will be option A. This disease was also in news. So answer is option A. Question number 85 is, half byte is known as, this is nibble. Which of the following is 4th generation mobile technology? GPRS, HSPA, LTE, all of these. कई बार बच्चे all of these देख के इसमें all of these लगा देंगे. No, but this is not true in every answer. So the answer to this was LTE. The IC chips used in modern generation of computers are made of silicon. In which inscription the earliest evidence of sati practice is found? This is Iran inscription, which is option B. Naganand, a play written by Emperor Harshvardhan, is about which bodhisattva? This is Jimutvahana, option B. Gondophaednus, this was a bonus question, so I'll skip this. Who led the Kukka movement in Punjab? This was Ram Singh. In which year All India Trade Union Congress was established? This was 1920. Who among the following had been buried at Sikandra near Agra? Sikandra near Agra, this is Akbar. Who among the following was equivalent to modern day foreign secretary in Shivaji Ashtapradhan system? This is Dabir. In which year Surendranath Banerjee was dismissed from the civil services? He was dismissed in 1874. In which year was Battle of Dharmat fought? Battle of Dharmat was fought in the year 1658 AD. Who was India's only Jewish viceroy? This was Lord Reading, which is option D. Which one of the following text is written by Sandhya Karnandan? The answer to this will be Ramcharitam, which is option A. Question number 99. Which of the following popular newspaper was published in Tamil? National Herald, Kesari, Swadesh Mitram, none of the above. This is option C, Swadesh Mitram. There are how many bits in one byte? Answer to this will be option A, which is 8 bits. With that, we come to the end of our discussion of Forest Range Officer Paper 2021. Hope you enjoyed our video. Do subscribe to our channel for preparing yourself well for the upper PCS prelims and to cover all the previous year papers of UKPSC with detailed explanations. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.